Hello, in this video I will show you how to record screen on VIVO iQOO Z10. So you have to start by swapping down your screen, then do this motion again, and now you have to find a screen record button, which is right here, so you can tap on that, then click agree. And here you can decide if you want to show touches on display, and if you want to record system audio, and if you want to record microphone audio. And then just click start screen recording. And now my screen recording has started, and to save it, just swipe down on your screen and click on the square icon. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.